This video will show you how to set up and install your new video doorbell with these simple steps. What's in the box? Prepare your install location. Install the doorbell. What's in the box? This wired video doorbell comes equipped with a standard mounting bracket, a 15-degree horizontal bracket, and a 5-degree vertical bracket, 2 anchors, 2 screws, 3 wire caps, 2 wire connectors, and a pin to release the doorbell from the mounting bracket. The front panel of your doorbell has the camera, microphone, status indicator, and the call button. The back panel has the micro USB port, micro SD card slot, reset button, and power ports. The bottom of the doorbell has the warning/night light and speaker. Prepare your install location. 16 to 24 volt AC is required in order for the doorbell to work properly. If your house does not have this voltage, you will need a 16 to 24 volt AC doorbell transformer, or you can consult with a licensed electrician. Turn off power running to your existing doorbell and chime box at the breaker. Failing to turn off power can lead to electrical shock or damage to the doorbell. To test that power has been disconnected for both the doorbell and chime box, simply press the doorbell and there should be no chime sound. Remove your existing doorbell and disconnect the wiring. Bend the power cables so that they do not fall through the hole in the wall. Installing the doorbell. Your doorbell comes with a standard mounting bracket and optional horizontal and vertical brackets. The horizontal bracket will angle the doorbell 15 degrees left or right. The vertical bracket will angle the doorbell 5 degrees up or down. You can attach the optional brackets to the mounting bracket. Use the up arrow to make sure the mounting bracket is oriented correctly. Please note, the horizontal and vertical bracket cannot be combined. Insert the 4 tabs from the horizontal or vertical bracket into the mounting bracket. When you hear a click sound, this will indicate that the brackets are locked in. Before securing the mounting bracket, we need to fit the existing doorbell wiring through the middle hole. Mark the screw holes according to the bracket. Insert the supplied anchors and screws to secure the mounting bracket to the mounting surface. It's time to wire the doorbell. To wire the doorbell, loosen the power port screws of the doorbell with a Phillips head screwdriver. Loop the power wires underneath the power port screws and tighten the power port screws to secure the power wires. Insert the 2 tabs from the mounting bracket into the doorbell and push down. A click sound will indicate that the doorbell is locked in. If in the future you choose to remove the doorbell, insert the supplied pin into the hole at the bottom of the mounting bracket until the inner latch is reached. Then slide the doorbell up and remove it. You may now reconnect power to the doorbell and chime at the breaker. Wait for the LED to pulse blue. Tap the plus sign and scan the QR code located in the box. You may also manually enter your device ID and follow the prompts. You are now ready to enjoy your new Lorex video doorbell. Thanks for watching.